Our vintage YSL bowling bag is in what YSL call a draft print. It's a really great size. If I come back here, you can see the size of it. It's got the YSL badge on the front and it's got a double zip pull. Both of them have YSL on them. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, that looks quite good. It does have signs of wear to the piping in the corners here. But other than that, the exterior is in very good condition. The great thing is the zips go right to the bottom on both sides, which means it's really easy to open. So inside it's lined in YSL. You've got a YSL badge there with one zipped pocket and one flat pocket. Inside is very good condition apart from some staining here. Just adjust it so you can see the light. And also there's a little bit of red just here. Apart from that, it's in really good condition. It's a really gorgeous everyday bowling bag, Yves Saint Laurent.